Students, we were studying about the numericals, and again in the numerical I have taken so many numericals in order to have a good practice to you, in order to understand the concept very well to you. So now just find out the number of molecules present in 0.1 gram of carbon. So see, number of molecules present in 0.1 gram of carbon. Now see, number of, you have to find out the .1 gram. So 0.1 gram, 0.1 divided by 12. That is number of gram moles. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molecular mass. So here 1 upon 120, and just find out how much it will be. It will be 1 divided by 120, 0.000. 0.0083. 0.0083. Clear? So here number of moles will be 0.0083 moles, and number of molecules is equal to number of moles into Avogadro's number. 0.0083 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. ठीक है? Now calculate, and that will be the number of molecules. Calculate. Now, if you are asked to find out the number of molecules present in 0.1 mole of carbon, see, now have noted this, so note down first. Number of moles 0.1 upon 12, 1 upon 120, 1 upon 120 gives the, you can say 0.0083. So now if you are asked to find out the number of molecules present in 0.1 mole of carbon, number of moles 0.1, and therefore what will happen? If you multiply, it will be 0.6022 into 10 raised to power 23 number of molecules, or 6 is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 22 number of molecules. So is it clear? Now then another problem. Another problem that we have to take the calculate the percentage composition of the compound by weight. Percentage composition of the compound by weight. Percentage composition. Percentage composition by weight. So see here. See, open your book, page number 43. 0.24 gram of sample of compound of oxygen and boron was found by analysis to contain 0.06 gram of boron and 144 gram of oxygen. Calculate the percentage composition of the compound by weight. So see, weight of compound. See, weight of compound is 0.24 gram, 0.240 gram or 0.24 gram, and it contains 0.096 gram of boron. Weight of boron. Weight of boron is 0.096 gram. And this is the gram of oxygen. Gram of oxygen. Nothing. Now again understand what is given in the problem. You are given the compound of boron and oxygen. You are given the compound of boron and oxygen having weight 0.24 gram. That means boron and oxygen combine with each other to form boron oxide having weight 0.24 gram, and weight of boron is 0.096, and if the weight of boron is subtracted from the weight of compound, we get the weight of oxygen. Now we have to calculate the percentage composition. See, 0.224 gram of compound contains 0.096 gram of boron, and hence 100 gram of compound contains how much? So 0.24 gram of compound contains 0.096 gram of boron, and therefore 100 grams of compound contains how much? So 100 multiplied by 0.096 divided by 0.24. So see here, if you multiply 100 by 100, it will be 0.096 this much quantity. Now 1, 2, 3, 9.6. Clear? 9.6 divided by 0.24. 0.24. So it will be 960 divided by 24. 40. Percentage composition of boron is 40. Have got the idea? 0.24 gram of compound contains 0.06, 0.096 gram of boron, and therefore 100 gram of compound will contain this much quantity, 40. Now we will calculate about the oxygen. 0.024 gram of compound contains 0.144 gram of oxygen, and hence and hence 100 gram will contain how much? 100 into 0.144 divided by 0.24. So see how much it will be. It will be 0.6, means 60% of O2 by weight. So in this way we can calculate. So again see, you are asked to find out the percentage composition by weight. Weight of the compound of boron and oxygen, that is boron oxide, is 0.24. Weight of boron is 0.096 gram, and therefore weight of oxygen is 0.144 gram of oxygen. And that is weight of boron and oxygen both are given. Calculate the percentage of the compound by weight. Percentage composition of the compound. Percentage composition. 0.24 gram of compound contains 0.144 gram of oxygen. Therefore 100. Percentage composition means how much of the oxygen is present in 100 gram of the compound. How much gram of boron is present in 100 gram of the compound. So 100 multiplied by 0.144 divided by 0.24, and it will be 0.6 multiplied by 100, it will be 60% of oxygen by weight. That means 100 gram of boron oxide will contain 60 gram of oxygen and 40 gram of boron. So in this way we can find out the percentage composition of the molecule. So see, when what is the mass of 0.2 mole of oxygen atom? What is the mass? 1 mole of oxygen atom means how many grams? 1 mole of oxygen atom means 16 gram. So 16 gram is equal to 1 mole of atom of oxygen. 1 mole of atom. When the atomic weight is taken, when the substance having mass equal to its atomic weight, then it will be 1 mole of atom. So oxygen molecular mass 32, atomic mass 16. So 16 is the atomic weight. And see, when we take 16 gram of oxygen, it will be 1 mole atom of oxygen, and you are asked to find out 0.2. So see, 0.2 means we can calculate 0.2 here. 16 gram O2 is equal to 1 mole atom of O2, and hence 0.2 gram O2 is equal to how much? We can calculate 0.2 divided by 16. कितनी बार? So 2 upon 160 means 1 by 80. 1 by 80 is equal to 0.01. So 100, 80, 20, 200, 0.0 mole atom of oxygen, and 0.5 mole of water molecule. 0.5 mole of water molecules. 0.5 H2O. H2O, hydrogen 2 plus oxygen 16. Oxygen 16 is equal to 18 gram. 18 gram is equal to 1 mole. And we can say that 18 gram H2O is equal to 0.5 mole of water molecule. 1 mole H2O is equal to 18 gram, and hence 0.5 mole H2O is equal to how much? So 0.5 into 18 divided by 1 is equal to 9 grams. So in this way we can calculate